Okay, we're still working on simplifying expressions. We're looking at like terms. So they're terms with the same variable, raised to the same power. Coefficients do not have to be the same. That's that number in front of that variable. And constants are like terms. That's the number that stands alone. So using the colors to the right, we're going to highlight the terms below. Here are our terms. So we have 5a, we're going to highlight with green. Now everything that has that variable with a, we're also going to highlight with green. So we have 0.25a, negative 2/3 a. Those are all like terms. We have 7.9t. So everything that has that variable with t, we're also going to highlight with yellow. We have 12t and 1/2 t. Those are all like terms. Y to this raised to the second power, we're going to highlight with blue. So anything with y raised to the second power, you're going to highlight with blue. Negative 3y to the second power, you're going to highlight with blue. Then we have, with gray, we're going to have our 4x. So anything with the variable x, you're going to highlight with gray. Negative 18x is highlighted with gray. This is what your page should look like before you move on. You need to highlight the like terms with the same color. For instance, everything with A has green. Everything with the T has yellow. Y to the second power is blue, and anything with X has gray. If you look at all of them, they are like terms. Notice that the sign in front of the number stays with the number. Everything's highlighted, including that sign. So this is what your page should look like before you move on.